How do I remove my Samsung microwave door? I have a replacement door because current door is dented. But I don't see how to get door off.
Can you guesstimate how old your Samsung is? And just to clarify, what's the exact model?
It's new. It's model ME18H704 SCO ###.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes, just want to remove the door and put new one on.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No.
Hello. My name is. I'll be helping you with your appliance question today. Please wait a few moments while I review your question.
Thanks.
So replacing the door is fairly easy, although it is a bit of prying and tricky. You don't have to take the door apart, but because this is your first time replacing the door, I would remove the inner plastic outer trim anyways because it makes it easier to see what you're doing. The plastic bezel around the inside of the door just clips in all the way around, and you'll need to use a putty knife or small flathead screwdriver to pry underneath it to pop it off. After that, you just use a small flathead screwdriver and pry on the upper hinge area to force the pin out of the top door hinge that comes from the frame of the microwave itself. Then you can wiggle and remove the bottom door off the bottom door hinge. Just do the reverse to install the new door, although once you remove the old door you may not need to remove the plastic bezel on the new door since you have a better idea of what is going after removing the old door. We are on the honor system here. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge after rating my service if you still need assistance.
Okay, I'm going to give it a try. Can I message back with more questions?
Sure thing.
Got it. Thanks so much. I've never done this before, so where do I go to give you a good rating, or how does this work?
Awesome, I'm glad you got it all taken care of. There should be stars at the top of your screen when you can select to rate me.
Will do. Thank you, smile.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.